What's up, fam? Let's talk about put a cap on unnecessary spending. This your boy Gary B from Mentally Financial. I'm just dropping this little bit of nuggets on you because I want y'all to go into 2023 with a good mindset about putting your money in the right place. We're talking about putting a cap on spending. Think about it. It's real simple and straight to the point. What does that mean? That means when you put money into the bank, you should be putting it there for a reason. You got your check going there to pay your bills. You got your savings going there to hopefully put something together for your future. So we have to start putting a spending cap on things to make sure that our future and our bills are getting paid on time. Because I don't know if you know this or not, but them little $20 you spend here and there that we don't think about, that little $5, $10 at the burger joints and this place and that place, it adds up, y'all, at the end of the month. You know what I'm saying? Because you don't think about the small bills that you spend. You know what I'm saying? That's why when people say, I got to break this $100 bill, because they know once they break that $100 bill, they're about to lose the money in their pocket because it's so hard to spend 100, but it's so easy to spend 5 or 10. You know what I'm saying? So we have to start changing our mindset. And you got to remember, we're not saying stop living. You know what I'm saying? At least I'm not. I'm not telling you to stop living. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, because I spend $20 for anything. Well, I don't use my credit card for anything under $20, and just unless I just don't have my cash on me, I might use my credit card. But I try to keep my credit card for bigger items, and I don't just use it willy nilly. Like I said, I use it for my bills and things like that to keep me above board. But when it comes to putting a cap on spending, so many people get scared and they think we're talking about not to live anymore. No, we're not telling you not to live. We're telling you to live for now and expect what might happen in the future. That's why we talk about emergency funds and rainy day funds and putting something for retirement, because in today's economy, you got to work until you're 100 years old if you want to live nice. You know what I'm saying? So that's why we got to catch them young, y'all. You and I are already in this stressful situation, and we're trying to get our minds right and get out of this stressful situation, but we got to think about the ones that's under us that's coming up. We got to start showing them the right way to put their money, you know what I'm saying, to use their money, excuse me. So basically what I'm trying to say to y'all is it's okay to do things. It's okay to have things in your life, but you also got to remember that, hey, I need to live for tomorrow because I don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. I might lose my job. I might get a pay decrease. You don't know what may happen. You may have to get a new roof for your house. New tires for your car. You never know, y'all. So with that being said, like I said, I'm going to get off this real quick. This was just a bonus show. The new show is coming January 8th, season 3, y'all, of Mentally Financial. I'm your boy, Gary B. Like I always tell you, I do the research. You just got to follow. I want you to follow me on all your favorite podcasts or wherever you listen to your podcasts at. Check me out on Google Podcasts, Apple Podcasts, and Spotify. Hey, like I said, we're going to do this thing big, and I'll talk with you in the next episode. Peace.